Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust ukulele strings. First, let's get familiar with your instrument. Your ukulele has 4 strings, typically tuned to G, C, E, and A from top to bottom. Before you begin, find a quiet spot and make sure your ukulele is comfortable to hold. You will also need a good electronic tuner. A clip-on tuner is very convenient, or you can use a tuning application on your smartphone. Now, let's dive into the tuning process. If you have a clip-on tuner, attach it securely to the headstock of your ukulele. If using an app, place your phone nearby. Gently pluck the G string, the one closest to you, and slowly turn its tuning peg. Watch the tuner display until it registers a clear G. Then, move on to the C string, followed by the E string, and finally the A string, tuning each one precisely. After tuning each string individually, it's a good idea to play a simple chord, such as a C major, to hear how the strings sound together. If any string sounds a little off, make small, precise adjustments to its tuning peg. For new strings, they tend to stretch and go out of tune quickly. Gently pull each string away from the fretboard a few times, then retune to help them settle and hold their pitch. To keep your ukulele sounding its best, make it a habit to tune it every time you sit down to play. Temperature and humidity changes can affect string tension, so frequent tuning is essential. Proper storage, like in a case, also helps maintain tuning stability. Remember, strings don't last forever. If your strings sound dull or struggle to hold a tune, it might be time to replace them for optimal sound.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.